Picture this. You're deep in the wilderness, and every tool in your kit could mean the difference between survival and struggle. From gadgets that light fires in the rain, to ones that purify water on the go, we're counting down 25 of the coolest tactical survival gear you can buy online. Ready to see what made the list? Let's dive in. Tactical flashlight. Imagine this. You're hiking deep in the woods, and the sun dips below the horizon faster than you expected. Darkness surrounds you. Suddenly, you remember the tactical flashlight in your pocket. You flick it on, and it lights up the entire trail like a car headlight. This isn't just any flashlight. It's built for survival. Need to break a car window or defend yourself? Its rugged design has you covered. Compact, powerful, and always reliable, this flashlight is your nighttime hero. Paracord Survival Bracelet. Picture yourself lost in the wilderness, trying to make a fire or set up a quick shelter. On your wrist is the humble Paracord Survival Bracelet. You unravel it and suddenly have a sturdy rope to tie sticks together. A whistle and fire starter are built right in. It's not just a bracelet, it's a survival kit disguised as an accessory. Lightweight and always within reach, this bracelet proves that even the smallest tools can make a big difference. Emergency blanket. It's freezing and you're stranded. The wind howls and you're shivering uncontrollably. But then, you pull out an emergency blanket from your pack. As you wrap it around yourself, you feel the warmth almost instantly. It reflects your body heat back to you and shields you from the cold. This blanket isn't just for warmth. It can also serve as a signal to rescuers, or even a makeshift shelter. Compact yet life-saving, this little blanket is a survival must-have. Pocket knife. A camper's best friend, the pocket knife is more than just a blade. Imagine carving sticks for marshmallows, slicing through rope, or tightening a screw on your tent pole, all with one tool. This isn't just handy, it's essential. Compact enough to fit in your pocket but versatile enough for dozens of tasks, it's the kind of tool you don't realize you need until you do. Whether you're out camping or fixing something at home, it's your go-to gadget. Water purifier straw? You're hiking a rugged trail when you run out of water. Ahead you see a stream, but the water looks questionable. Instead of risking it, you pull out your purifier straw. One sip through this gadget, and the water is instantly free of bacteria and parasites. It's like having a magic wand for safe drinking water. Small, lightweight, and easy to use, this straw is your lifeline in the wild, turning any murky stream into a refreshing oasis. Survival shovel. Ever tried digging a fire pit with your hands? Not fun. Now imagine pulling out a compact survival shovel. It unfolds like a transformer, and before you know it, you're chopping branches, sawing logs, and even opening a bottle of water. Built tough, this shovel can tackle just about anything you throw at it. Whether you're building a campsite or digging out your car from snow, it's the Swiss Army knife of shovels. Small, but mighty. Fire starter tool. You're deep in the woods, and it's time to light a fire. But your matches are wet. Luckily, you've got a magnesium fire starter. With just a few scrapes, it sparks into life, igniting your tinder even in the rain. It feels like magic, but is pure science. This tool works in any weather, giving you the power of fire in the palm of your hand. No survival kit is complete without this small but life-saving gadget. Solar-powered charger. Imagine being miles from civilization and your phone battery dies. Panic sets in, but then you pull out your solar-powered charger. You place it under the sun, and it begins to revive your devices like a lifeline to the modern world. Not just a charger, it's also a flashlight and emergency beacon. Perfect for hikers, campers, or anyone preparing for power outages, this gadget keeps you connected to the world, even when the grid goes down. Emergency whistle. Lost in the forest with no cell signal, you hear a rescue team in the distance. You grab your emergency whistle and blow. Its piercing sound cuts through the trees, guiding rescuers straight to you. This whistle isn't just loud, it's lightweight, durable, and designed for critical moments like these. Whether you're hiking, boating, or camping, It's a tiny tool that can make a huge difference when seconds count. Tactical pen. A pen might not sound exciting until it's a tactical pen. You're stuck in your car and the doors won't open. This pen, with its reinforced tip, smashes the window effortlessly. It also writes like a dream and even doubles as a self-defense tool. Sleek and discreet, it's the kind of gadget that's as handy in the office as it is in emergencies. Who knew a pen could do so much? First aid kit. You're on a hike when you trip and scrape your knee. Without a second thought, you reach for your first aid kit. Inside, there's everything you need: bandages, antiseptic wipes, and even tweezers for removing splinters. Small and lightweight, it's easy to pack but big on utility. Whether it's a small scrape or something more serious, having this kit on hand turns a potential disaster into a minor inconvenience. Hand crank radio. The storm knocks out power, and you're left in silence. No lights, no cell service, just darkness. Then you grab your hand crank radio. A few turns of the crank, and you're listening to emergency broadcasts. It's not just a radio, it's your link to critical updates when you need them most. The built-in flashlight and charging port for your phone are just icing on the cake. This gadget is a survivalist's best friend, keeping you informed and prepared. Compact tent. You're out exploring, and the sun is setting fast. You don't want to be caught without shelter, but setting up camp feels daunting. Enter the compact tent. It's so lightweight, you barely notice it in your pack. With just a few simple steps, you've got a sturdy, weather-resistant shelter for the night. Rain, wind, or shine, this tent is your safe haven in the wild, giving you peace of mind wherever your adventure takes you. Thermal socks. The frost is biting at your toes as you trek through snow-covered trails. But you're not worried. Your thermal socks have got you covered. They keep your feet warm, no matter how cold it gets, thanks to their high-tech insulation. Comfortable, durable, and essential for any winter adventure, these socks do more than keep your feet toasty. They ensure you stay focused on the journey ahead, instead of worrying about the chill creeping in. Survival backpack. You're gearing up for an overnight hike, and your survival backpack is your command center. Every pocket is designed with purpose, holding gear like water bottles, first aid kits, and tools. Waterproof and durable, it protects your essentials from the elements. Even better, it distributes weight so perfectly, you barely feel the load. Whether you're heading into the wild or preparing for emergencies, this backpack ensures you're ready for whatever comes your way. Tactical gloves. You're climbing over rocks, your hands gripping cold, sharp edges. Without the right protection, cuts and blisters are inevitable. But with tactical gloves, your hands stay safe. Designed for rugged environments, these gloves are tough but flexible, giving you the perfect balance of protection and grip. Whether you're chopping wood, setting up camp, or handling tools, they're the shield your hands deserve on any adventure. MultiTool Card. It's the size of a credit card, but when you need it, it transforms into a survival toolkit. Imagine tightening a screw, opening a can, or slicing through rope, all with one slim gadget. That's the magic of the MultiTool Card. It fits right in your wallet, so you never have to worry about forgetting it. From quick fixes to outdoor emergencies, this card proves that sometimes the smallest tools pack the biggest punch. Collapsible water bottle. Space is precious when you're hiking or traveling. A bulky water bottle just won't do. That's where the collapsible water bottle comes in. When it's empty, it folds down to almost nothing, saving room in your pack. Fill it up, and it's sturdy and leak-proof, keeping you hydrated without taking up space. Perfect for adventurers who need practical solutions, this bottle proves you don't have to choose between convenience and functionality. Headlamp. You're setting up camp, and the light is fading fast. A flashlight would help, but you need both hands free. Enter the headlamp. You strap it on, and suddenly your hands are free to pitch your tent or cook dinner. Its adjustable beam ensures you can see exactly what you're doing, even in pitch black conditions. Lightweight and super bright, It's the ultimate gadget for nighttime tasks, keeping you safe and productive after dark. Survival Fishing Kit. You're by a stream, hungry, and without a packed meal. But you're not worried. Your survival fishing kit is ready. Packed with hooks, line, and sinkers, it's everything you need to catch your own meal. Compact and easy to use, it's designed for moments like these when food isn't guaranteed. Whether you're on a long hike or in a survival situation, this kit transforms a basic skill into a lifeline. Mini Stove. It's dinner time in the great outdoors, and you're craving something warm. You pull out your mini stove, connect it to a small fuel canister, and in minutes, you've got boiling water or sizzling food. Lightweight and portable, this stove makes cooking easy, whether you're miles from home or just camping out for the night. It's a little gadget with a big impact, because nothing beats a hot meal after a long day. Glow sticks. The power's out, and your flashlight batteries are dead. But you're not in the dark. You snap a glow stick, and it floods the room with soft, reliable light. Long-lasting and easy to pack, glow sticks are perfect for emergencies, camping, or signaling for help. They're simple, safe, and always ready to shine when you need them. Whether you're lighting up a path or creating a safe campsite, glow sticks are a must-have. Tactical Belt. You're on the go, and your tactical belt is doing double duty. Not only does it keep your pants in place, but its hidden compartments store cash, tools, and even a small knife. Made from durable materials, it can withstand anything the wilderness throws at it. This isn't just an accessory, it's a survival tool that keeps your essentials close and your hands free. Every adventurer needs one of these. Folding Saw. A tree branch blocks your path, and you need firewood for the night. You pull out your folding saw, and in moments, you're cutting through wood like butter. Compact and lightweight, it folds safely when not in use, so it's easy to carry. This tool isn't just handy, it's essential for anyone who spends time in the great outdoors. Whether you're building shelter or prepping for a fire, the folding saw gets the job done. Survival Kit in a can. It looks like a regular can, but inside is a treasure trove of survival tools. A whistle, fishing line, matches, a compass, and more. Small enough to fit in your pocket, it's like having an entire survival kit in your hand. Whether you're camping, hiking, or facing an emergency, this kit has you covered. It's proof that big things really do come in small packages. This little can could be your ultimate lifeline.
And there you have it. 25 incredible tactical survival gadgets that could prepare you for anything, from the great outdoors to unexpected emergencies. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And hey, while you're here, why not hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. That way, you'll never miss out on more epic gear reviews and survival tips. Stay prepared, stay adventurous, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, gear up and stay safe.